In this lesson video, we will first classify triangles based on their size of their angles and length of their sides, and then we will see what is the sum of three interior angles of a triangle. And based on this property, we will practice a number of examples to find the unknown interior angles in a triangle. Here we will see the classification of triangles based on its angles and its side lengths. An angle is called acute angle triangle if all three of its angles are acute angle, that is less than 90 degree. So for example, here this triangle, its all three angles are less than 90 degree, so this is an acute angle triangle. So based on angle, all these three triangles are acute angle triangle. Now based on the length of the side, so for example here in this triangle ABC, all three sides are different and all three angles are also have different values. So this triangle is called scalene triangle. All three sides are different, scalene triangle, and since it is acute, all three angles are also acute, so it's a scalene acute angle triangle. For this case, these two arms are same. All three angles are acute and these two arms are same and they are corresponding. That is, this arm's opposite angle, corresponding angle is this one, and this one arm's corresponding angle is this one. So when a triangle is acute angle and two arms are equal, then their corresponding angles, this angle and this angle, are also equal. So this triangle is called isosceles acute angle triangle. First acute angle because all three angles are acute angle and two arms are equal and their corresponding angles are equal, so this triangle is called isosceles acute angle triangle. And when all three sides length are same, then all three angles are also same, then this triangle and all angles are acute angle, so this triangle is called equilateral triangle, and equilateral triangle is always acute angle triangle. The next category of triangle is right angle triangle. That is, if one of the angle of a triangle is right angle, that is 90 degree, then this triangle is called right angle triangle. Right angle triangle can be two kinds: scalene right angle triangle, that is all three arm lengths are different and all three angles are different, or isosceles right angle triangle. That means the opposite side of the right angle is called hypotenuse, and hypotenuse can't be equal to any other side, but these two sides can be equal and their corresponding angle, that is their corresponding angle, this and this, these two angle can be equal. So if a right angle triangle got two shorter arms equal, then this is called isosceles right angle triangle. In that case, the right angle triangle, this right angle is 90 degree and both this angle will be 45 degree and 45 degree. If a triangle has one angle greater than 90 degree, that is the obtuse angle, then the triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle can be scalene obtuse angle triangle, that means all three arms and all three angles are different, or isosceles obtuse angle triangle, that is the opposite arm of the obtuse angle is the longest arm and the other two arms can be equal and their corresponding angles also are equal, then this triangle is called isosceles obtuse angle triangle. And one property we need to know is the sum of these three angles of any triangle. All these triangles, sum of the angles of any triangle will be 180 degree. That is, for all triangles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will always be 180 degree. that is sum of three interior angles. These angles are called interior angles. So sum of three interior angles of any triangle is 180 degree.